Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Health Hub. Stop doing fad diets, do healthy habits instead. Forget those crazy fad diets promising overnight miracles. They don't work. It's all about making simple, sustainable changes to your lifestyle. We're talking about healthy habits that stick, not quick fixes that fizzle out. Think of it like this: you're building a healthier, happier you, brick by brick. It takes time, effort, and consistency, but trust me, it's worth it. No more yo-yo dieting. No more feeling guilty about every little bite. It's time to ditch the restrictive rules and embrace a balanced approach to eating. Enjoy your favorite foods in moderation, listen to your body, and find what works best for you. Remember, this is a journey, not a race. So, are you ready to ditch the fad diets and embrace a healthier, happier you? Let's do this together. Set realistic goals. Celebrate every win. Hold up. Before you dive headfirst into a rigorous workout routine and overhaul your entire pantry, let's talk about setting realistic goals. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement of starting a new fitness journey, but setting the right goals is crucial for long-term success. Remember, slow and steady wins the race. Just like the tortoise in the classic fable, taking small, consistent steps will get you to your destination. Crash diets and extreme exercise regimes might seem tempting, but they're often unsustainable and can do more harm than good. These approaches can lead to burnout, injuries, and a negative relationship with food and exercise. Instead of aiming for a drastic transformation overnight, focus on making small, achievable changes to your daily routine. These small changes can include things like adding more vegetables to your meals, or setting aside time each day for physical activity. Start by incorporating a 30-minute walk into your day. Walking is a simple yet effective way to improve your fitness and can be easily integrated into your daily schedule, or swapping sugary drinks for water. Hydration is key to maintaining energy levels and overall health, and choosing water over sugary beverages is a small change that can have a big impact. As you start hitting these milestones, you'll gain momentum and build confidence along the way. Each small victory is a step towards your larger goals and should be acknowledged and celebrated. And here's the fun part: celebrate every single victory. No matter how small it may seem, each achievement is a testament to your hard work and dedication. Did you choose a healthy meal over takeout? That's a win. Making healthier food choices is a crucial part of your fitness journey and should be celebrated. Did you push yourself a little harder during your workout today? Another win. Pushing your limits, even just a little, is a sign of progress and growth. These small victories add up and keep you motivated on your journey. Each one is a building block towards your ultimate goal and helps to keep you focused and driven. Remember, this is about progress, not perfection. It's important to recognize that setbacks are a natural part of the process and should not discourage you. So, set realistic goals, celebrate every win, and enjoy the journey to a healthier you. Embrace the process, stay positive, and keep moving forward. Your future self will thank you for the effort you put in today. Fuel your body right nutrition tips that work. Let's talk about food, glorious food. It's not about deprivation, it's about nourishing your body with the right stuff. Think of it as fueling your body with the energy it needs to power through your day and crush your workouts. First things first, make friends with fruits, veggies, whole grains, and lean proteins. These nutrient-rich superstars should be the foundation of your diet. Aim for a rainbow of colors on your plate. The more variety, the merrier and healthier. Next up, ditch the processed junk. You know the culprits: sugary drinks, fast food, and those tempting bags of chips. They might offer a quick fix, but they leave you feeling sluggish and unsatisfied in the long run. And remember, hydration is key. Water is your new best friend. Carry a water bottle with you everywhere you go and sip on it throughout the day. Easy meal plans, delicious and doable recipes. Eating healthy is too complicated, they said. It's a common misconception that healthy eating requires a lot of time, effort, and fancy ingredients. I don't have time for fancy recipes, they complained. But what if I told you that you can whip up nutritious and delicious meals without spending hours in the kitchen? Well, guess what? I've got your back with these super simple, crazy, delicious meal plans that even the busiest bees can handle. You don't need to be a gourmet chef to eat well. Let's start with breakfast. Overnight oats. Mix rolled oats, milk, dairy or plant-based, chia seeds and a dollop of yogurt in a jar. You can also add a touch of honey or maple syrup for sweetness. Leave it in the fridge overnight and voila, a grab-and-go breakfast packed with fiber and protein. It's perfect for those hectic mornings when you're rushing out the door. For lunch, how about a big old salad? Load up a bowl with leafy greens, colorful veggies, grilled chicken or chickpeas, and a drizzle of olive oil and lemon juice. You can also throw in some nuts or seeds for an extra crunch. Boom! A nutrient-packed lunch that's as satisfying as it is healthy. It's a great way to get your daily dose of vitamins and minerals. For dinner, let's go with salmon and roasted veggies. Season a salmon fillet with salt, pepper, and a squeeze of lemon. You can also add some garlic or herbs for extra flavor. Roasted in the oven with your favorite veggies, broccoli, asparagus, and bell peppers are always a good shout for an easy, flavor-packed dinner. The best part, it's all cooked on one tray, so cleanup is a breeze. See, healthy eating doesn't have to be a chore. With a little planning and some simple recipes, you can enjoy delicious, nutritious meals every day. These are just a few ideas to get those taste buds tingling. There are endless possibilities when it comes to healthy eating, so don't be afraid to get creative in the kitchen. Happy cooking. Get moving and find your fitness groove. All right, team, time to get those bodies moving. Exercise isn't about punishment, it's about celebrating what your body can do. Find an activity you genuinely enjoy, and it won't feel like a chore. Love dancing? Get your groove on with a Zumba class. Enjoy the great outdoors? Lace up those trainers and go for a hike or a bike ride. Prefer a more structured routine? Hit the gym and try out some strength training exercises. The key is to find something that gets your heart pumping and makes you feel good. And hey, don't be afraid to mix it up. Variety is the spice of life, so try different activities and keep things fresh. Remember, every little bit counts. Even a 10-minute walk is better than nothing. So get moving, find your fitness groove, and let's get physical. Inspiration alert, real people, real results. In this chapter, we dive into the lives of everyday individuals who have transformed their lives through sheer determination and hard work. These are not just stories, they are real-life examples of what can be achieved when you set your mind to it. Meet Sarah, a busy mum of two who thought she'd never have time for fitness again. Juggling work, kids, and household chores left her feeling drained and out of shape.
I was tired, overwhelmed, and felt like I'd lost myself somewhere along the way. Every day felt like a struggle, and I couldn't see a way out of the cycle of exhaustion and stress. But I decided to make a change. I knew it wouldn't be easy, but I was determined to find a way to reclaim my health and happiness.
She started small, incorporating short workouts into her day while her kids were napping. Even just 10 minutes a day made a difference. She focused on eating nourishing foods that gave her energy and made her feel good. Meal prepping on weekends became a game changer, allowing her to stay on track even during the busiest of weeks.
Fast forward to today, I'm a completely different person. I have more energy, I feel stronger, and I'm more confident in my own skin. Not only have I lost weight and gained strength, but I've also developed a love for fitness that I never thought possible. I even started lifting weights, something I never imagined I could do. I've also rediscovered my confidence and zest for life. I feel more present with my kids and more engaged in everything I do.
She's proof that even the busiest people can achieve their health and fitness goals with dedication and a positive mindset. It's not about having time, it's about making time and prioritizing your well-being. Sarah's story is just one example of the incredible transformations happening every day. People from all walks of life are taking control of their health and seeing amazing results.
Remember, you are capable of amazing things. It all starts with a single step and the belief that you can do it. Let these real-life success stories inspire you to take action and create your own success. Surround yourself with positivity, set realistic goals, and celebrate every milestone along the way. You have the power to transform your life, just like Sarah did.
Listen to your body, stay consistent. Here's the thing about this whole healthy lifestyle journey. It's not about being perfect, it's about being present and listening to your body's cues. Some days you'll be full of energy, ready to tackle that height workout with gusto. Other days you'll need a gentler approach, like a relaxing yoga session or a leisurely walk in nature. And that's perfectly okay. Honor your body's needs and adjust your activity levels accordingly. The same goes for your diet. Don't beat yourself up if you have an off day or indulge in a treat. It's all about balance and consistency in the long run. Remember, this is a journey, not a race. There will be ups and downs, but the important thing is to keep moving forward, one step at a time. You've got this. Embrace the journey. As you embark on this incredible journey to a healthier, happier you, remember this. You've got this. Believe in yourself and your ability to make positive changes. It won't always be easy, but it will always be worth it. Embrace the journey, celebrate every victory, and remember that you're not alone. There's a whole community of like-minded individuals cheering you on every step of the way, so go out there, crush those goals, and show the world what you're made of. Join the community, share your success. Now I want to hear from you. What are your biggest health and fitness goals?
Share your thoughts, challenges, and victories in the comments below. Let's create a supportive community where we can inspire and motivate each other to be the best versions of ourselves.
Because together we're unstoppable.